This is a very good example we have taken in last lecture. That is Baeyer-Villiger oxidation followed by lithium aluminum hydride, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So in this case, what happens? See here, this ring opening is take place from in the same side, and you are getting see 5-member ring opening will take place. Okay, so in this reaction, and both the group which is remains in same side. So this example we have taken in first lecture. Oxygen insertion followed by ring opening, and ring opening is taking place in same side. Now what happens if you carry out reduction reaction in the presence of BF3? See, normally this reagent, this is again very important reagent. See, this is epoxide ring. If you want to open this epoxide ring using lithium aluminum hydride, or you can say any bulky reagent, lithium triethyl chlorohydride, then see H minus is supplied from less inert side here, and ring opening is take place, and you are getting tertiary alcohol. This is a simple way. You are getting tertiary alcohol. But if you carry out same reaction in the presence of BF3, diethyl ether, and THF, so you are getting secondary alcohol. Ring opening is take place H minus. Here see you are getting OH over here. So this is secondary alcohol. How this is possible? Because see, this is only possible because this BF3 is nothing but, if you go for its mechanism, then in the presence of BF3, what happens? BF3 is a Lewis acid. So it's an electron deficient compound. BF3 is electron deficient. So lone pair of oxygen will coordinate or form the bond with BF3, and you are getting this type of oxonium compound with oxygen having positive charge. After that, then see ring opening is take place in a two ways. You can open ring from here, so you are getting secondary carbocation. You are getting secondary carbocation, and if you do ring opening from this side using this path, so you are getting tertiary carbocation. So if you go for stability of carbocation, the tertiary carbocation is a more stable than primary secondary carbocation. So this is the because of its stability. Now this will undergo acidic hydrolysis. H plus OH minus. So here by ring opening you are getting this one. You are ultimately supplying CH plus and OH minus. So after hydrolysis, this is converted to OH, and this will abstract one H minus, and it will gives methyl group over here. So see, this way reaction will take place. So you are, in spite of getting tertiary alcohol, you are getting secondary alcohol. So in the presence of BF3, it will give reaction with formation of alcohol at less substituted side. This is about reduction reaction using lithium aluminum hydride. Now after that, then see another one is another reducing reagent is H2 in the presence of platinum dioxide. This is called Adams catalyst. Its application is it is used for conversion of double bond to single bond, catalytic reduction of alkene. Double bond is converted to single bond. Two hydrogen are supplied from same side, so it's a syn hydrogenation. It is an example of syn hydrogenation reaction. Two hydrogen are supplied from same side. So suppose you are having this catalytic double bond CH3 over here CH3, and if you use H2 platinum dioxide, then two hydrogen are supplied from same side CH3 CH3, and both the hydrogen is supplied here is on back side. So this is measure product. This is a measure. It is a syn addition. Normally, see, if you go for H2 platinum dioxide, so it is a measure product because it is syn addition, and that's why. But if you go for simple catalytic reduction H2 in the presence of palladium metal, it is a simply catalytic. Then this is anti-addition. Therefore, because of this anti-addition, two hydrogen are supplied from opposite side. So this become major product. This become major product. This is anti-product and this is syn product. So this is called Adams catalyst, application of Adams catalyst. It can also reduce double bond, which is or aromatic double bond. Double bond presence inside the ring CH2 CH2 CN. Other group is unaffected. CN is unaffected. H2 platinum dioxide in the presence of ethanol. So you are getting, if you take axis of reagents and all these three double bonds are reduced, CN group remains as it is. So in short, see, this is an example of, you can say it is nothing but see both are example of syn addition. This is a syn addition. Suppose you are having C double bond at junction of two ring. Here it's you are having C double bond between two ring. Then this can also reduce using, if you use H2 in the presence of platinum dioxide, Adams catalyst, then reaction which is taking place in a syn hydrogenation take place. Both the hydrogen which are supplied from same side. But at the same time, if you're having H2 palladium in the presence of acetic acid, or so here C2 hydrogen are supplied from opposite side, it's anti-addition. So you are getting C trans product as the major product, but here you are having cis product. So this is a very good applications of Adams catalyst. In a chair conformation, what happens if you go for with the same reagent? In a chair conformation, especially the conformation of cyclohexane, this is its chair form. If you go for use reagent using H2 platinum dioxide, then you are getting hydride ion is supplied in equatorial position at less hindered position. This become measure. But if you use say Raney nickel, that is called trans reducing reagent. So here see opposite reaction is taking place. So here H is supplied at axial position. So this is the product which you are getting. Trans करता है scene addition application totally opposite છે. One more application is also there with Raney nickel. That Raney nickel can also reduce aromatic double bond, and it can also reduce the aromatic double bond. If you having say Raney nickel, then what happens? Aromatic double bond, it gets reduced to single bond. And suppose you are having say any oxidizing reagent is there like chromic acid. The first step is reduction. Second step is oxidation. So OH group gets oxidized to chromic acid, which oxidize OH group to ketone. So you are getting cyclohexanone. So this is about this. All are the applications of Adams catalyst as well as Raney nickel and catalytic reduction. H2 palladium converts the alkene to alkane also. So alkene to, but two hydrogen are get supplied in opposite direction. So that is the phenomenon. Two hydrogen cannot supply it from same side, but it is supplied in opposite direction. So that is simply applications of H2 palladium. So H2 in the presence of metal, it is an example of catalytic reduction. And H2 in the presence of platinum dioxide, it is an example of Adams catalyst syn hydrogenation. Another reducing reagent is copper Cr2O4 chromate, which convert ester group to primary alcohol. But this is the reagent which reduce ester to primary alcohol. For example, see if you having suppose this type of cyclic ester is there. You can have a H2Cu Cr2O4 at 150 degrees Celsius temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. If you take 2 moles of it, you can see this is here ester group is there, which is reduced to primary alcohol CH2OH. Second molecule I will write down in this way. CH2OH. Now, see, in the presence of these two molecules, it may undergo dehydration, and you are getting cyclized product. It gives so you are getting to this cyclic product. Another reduction is pinacol reduction. In the pinacol reduction, say ketone is reduced to alcohol. Reagent which is used is magnesium in the presence of acid. So what happens? See, if you having magnesium in the presence of ether, simply you can use, then it is pinacol reduction. Ketone is converted to corresponding alcohol. Suppose I am having cyclohexanone. Then if you go for pinacol reduction with Mg ether, so see this is reduced to alcohol. But after that, then in the presence of, say, 2 mole of alcohol may undergoes, in the presence of H2SO4, it will undergoes pinacolon rearrangement. So this may undergo pinacolon rearrangement type reaction, and you are getting here. See, it is not give this type of product. Sorry, pinacolon reaction gives pinacolon product, and that's why the name is given pinacolon. You are getting product with, you are always getting dimeric product. Product are the dimeric product મળશે. 2 6-member ring. You are getting 1,2-diol. Here 1,2-diol, not alcohol. Because that's why pinacolon is the starting material of pinacolon rearrangement, and therefore the name is given pinacolon reduction. Here you are getting product is diol. That is vicinal 1,2-diol. 1,2-diol from ketone. And this is in the presence of H2SO4, it will undergo pinacolon rearrangement. Pinacolon rearrangement. So you are getting, the first step is protonation. This is converted to OH2 plus, followed by dehydration. So you are getting carbocation here. The next step is group migration from this carbon number 1 to 2. So one ring is 6-member ring is converted to 7-member. Here positive charges comes. This group is migrated from this carbon to this one. Followed by dehydration. So you are getting ketone. You are getting spiroketone. One is 7-member ring. And another one is 6-member ring. It is a spiroketone. You are getting spiroketone. So this is a very good application of pinacolon reduction. Simply see you are getting diol. Suppose pinacolon, if you are having acetone, and you can carry out pinacolon reduction, then what happens? Reagent is simply Mg in the presence of ether. But H2SO4 is given, then you can also have a next step is pinacolon rearrangement. But simply Mg in the presence of ether is given, then see it is a dimeric product you are getting. See, two carbon-carbon bond formation take place between 2 moles. And oxygen gets converted to OH, so it is a diol. See, this is a example of CC bond formation. CC bond formation take place between 2 carbonyl group, carbonyl carbon. See, you know that Suzuki reaction, Sonogashira, all this type of reactions are there where carbon-carbon bond formation is very common. But in such reaction, this type of bond are there, so that is very difficult. But here it is possible with this reaction. So this is called pinacolon reduction reaction. Modified pinacolon is what happens in the case of the modified pinacolon. In the case of modified pinacolon reaction, you can have a so see in the case of modified pinacolon, what happens? This is a ketone in the presence of magnesium, Hg, and TiCl4. So this step is a very common. Again, see whatever reaction we have seen earlier, same reaction is take place. But sometimes what will happen? See, two different ketones are there. One is cyclohexanone and another one is acetone. And if you use same reagent, then you are getting this type of diol. You are getting this type of diol. And diol is a starting material in the case of pinacol reduction. What is pinacol reduction? Pinacolon rearrangement. What is pinacolon rearrangement? See, this is a pinacol rearrangement. If you're having diol, if you're having see phenyl ring and CH3 OH, an acidic condition is there, then it has pinacol rearrangement. First step is protonation take place, and then departure of water molecule. So protonation see બંને જગ્યાએ થાય છે, but you have to select the position which having stable carbocation. તો કઈ જગ્યાએ protonation કરશો? This OH or left hand side or right hand side OH? We want a stable carbocation. So where is protonation is take place?
Left side.
Left hand side, good. So you are getting see here protonation and followed by removal of water molecule. So you are getting benzylic carbocation. This is more stable. Next step is the group migration. Next step is a nucleophilic group migration take place from this carbon to charged carbon. So you are getting here one more carbocation followed by the addition of or water molecule H2O. Sorry, simply you can go for deprotonation. First step is protonation, last step is deprotonation. So you may got CH, CH3 ketone is the product, or aldehyde or ketone is the product. But see, sometimes what happens if you having two choice, phenyl CH OH, and here you are having the methyl group. And here you are having CH3 phenyl and methyl OH. બંને પોઝિશન સરખી છે તો ગમે ત્યાં પ્રોટોનેશન કરી શકો, followed by dehydration. So you may got see carbocation here. But see, next step is very, very important, and that is called group migration. So see here two group are there on adjacent carbon, phenyl and CH3. So migrating power of phenyl is greater than CH3, so phenyl group gets migrate. Here it is a nucleophilic migration, and migration power of phenyl is greater than that of methyl. So you are getting here carbocation, and this is removed by doing deprotonation. So phenyl nucleophilic migration from carbon to carbon, on to migration followed by deprotonation. So you are getting this one. Phenyl no migration power વધારે છે, but first તમારે stability of carbocation જોવાની. સપોઝ આ કેસની અંદર phenyl migration નહીં થાય. એનું કારણ છે કે ફર્સ્ટ આપણે સ્ટેબિલિટી ઓફ કાર્બોકેટાયન જોવાની, ઇટ ઇઝ એ ડ્રાઇવિંગ ફોર્સ. એટલે પહેલા પ્રોટોનેશન જ જે છે એ અહીંયા કરવું પડશે, તો બેન્ઝાઇલિક કાર્બોકેટાયન મળશે, એ મોર સ્ટેબલ છે. એટલે ફર્સ્ટ યુ ગો ફોર સ્ટેબિલિટી ઓફ કાર્બોકેટાયન, એ પહેલા જોવાનું, પછી ગ્રુપ માઇગ્રેશન વિચારવાનું. સ્ટેબલ કાર્બોકેટાયન બની ગયા પછી હવે આપણી પાસે અહીંયા બે ગ્રુપ છે, બંને CH3 છે, સો કોઈ પણનું માઇગ્રેશન અહીંયા કરી શકો. એન્ડ ઇટ અંડરગોઝ deprotonation, 1,2 methyl migration. So see here very important thing is first you look at for stability of carbocation. પછી તમારે નેક્સ્ટ ફેક્ટર છે માઇગ્રેટિંગ એપ્ટિટ્યુડ જોવાનો. So this is the product. So that is very, very important things in Vinacolon reaction. Okay. Another one is Rosenman catalyst. Rosenman catalyst is nothing but H2 palladium in BaSO4. And its application is to reduce acid chloride to acid chloride is converted to aldehyde. This is the application of Rosenman catalyst. Other parties are unaffected. For example, if you're having this acid chloride, then you can go for you are getting this function gets reduced to aldehyde. This is a very good application of Rosenman catalyst. What is how to convert carbonyl group to corresponding alkane? Is there any reagent? If you want to convert carbonyl to alkane, આના માટે કોઈ reagent છે? Is there any available reducing reagent? Chalo, in order to convert carbonyl to CH2, is there any reagent? So there are two reagents are there. First one is ZnHg HCl. This is called Clemmensen reduction. Second one is NH2 hydrogen in the presence of KOH, alkaline condition, not acidic condition. This is called Wolff-Kishner reduction. Two reagents are there. Suppose if you are having acetophenone, then you are getting ethylbenzene easily. Using any of this reagent, ZnHgHCl, or you can have a Wolff-Kishner reduction. You are getting here CH2CH3. See, you cannot prepare the acetophenone directly from benzene, but you have to choose this. If you see trying to go for Friedel-Crafts alkylation to prepare ethylbenzene, then what is the problem? You are getting ethylbenzene with polyalkylated product. Polyalkylation is the drawback. Polyalkylation is taking place. See, you can't prevent polyalkylation. Polyalkylation is a problem, but polyacylation not hai. And therefore, if you want to prepare the ethylbenzene, then you can go for acylation reaction. First, carry out acylation, not alkylation. Ca3COCl in the presence of AlCl3. First, go for preparing acylbenzene, followed by reaction with Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner reduction. So you are getting carbonyl group is reduced to CH2. Okay, so these are the very important reagents. These are all of the reducing reagents. Other reagents we will take later on. Thank you very much.